Hi everyone, it's Deborah. Welcome back to my channel, and it's Friday, so it must be art journaling day. And we are doing today a challenge by Margarete Miller. This is number 7, and I'll tell you what the things are as I work through them. So one of them is a math symbol, and I was thinking, how am I going to do a math symbol? But what I've decided to do is to use one of my stencils, which is Tim Holtz stencil, and it's got crosses on them, so I guess that's for addition. That's my math symbol. You've got to be creative when you're doing these things, and that's what I'm doing, is being creative so that I've got things to complete the challenge with. I could have just drawn it, I guess, by hand, but this is probably a bit neater since I'm not the best drawer in the world. Let's put some more on. This is a pretty purple, this one. This is called Dusty Concord, and again it's a Tim Holtz Distress Oxide. I think that's enough probably of that one. And I also have to do a leaf or something with leaves. So I've got some more oxide out, this time in crushed olive, because crushed olive is a lovely colour, and a Diane Reevely stamp. You also need to do this leaves, or a leaf, or a leaves, and I've chosen leaves. I'm trying not to put anything in the centre because I've got this tissue paper face, which is from Dina Wakley, and I wanted to put that down on the page. So I'm trying to sort of put things around the outside, if you will, and hopefully that will work. And when I put the face on, it's probably all going to go into a mess because I've just realised I'm using Distress Oxide, which is water reactive, and I'm about to put matte medium down to stick the face down. So I might have to forego the face idea. It's all just going to blur, isn't it? Okay. I have decided that I'm going to risk it. I know it's going to blur all this stuff underneath, but what I'm doing is I'm only going to put half her face on. And then if I want to use the other half at some point, I'll have to draw her in myself, which will be fun. Let's cut a little bit of this excess white tissue off. Now we'll watch it all blur. Oh. It's not too bad because it's creating nice colours on the page, if nothing else. While I've got that medium out, I also have some hearts, because one of the challenges is something sweet, and I didn't want to put lollies or anything on there, so I thought that these hearts would be good, and it will also be my group of 3, because I do also have the saying, and also that girl's eyes, which I guess are sweet as well. I guess it's how you interpret the challenge, but that's how I'm interpreting this one. I really don't have anything that's like, you know, sweet like that. I might actually cut these hearts out now thinking about it. Put them up here maybe. I need a doodle, or I need something. I need something here to bring that focus down. I'm going to add this frame to this page and put a photo in it, and I'm just inking around the edges. Now if you can't get into the corner, just bend it slightly and then you can get something as big as that into it without actually damaging the piece. I've hand cut this out of a packet that I've got of these frames, so I've just thought I'd use one of them. And then I might put this gentleman here because he's very cool, and move him down a bit. I don't want to hide her eyes at all, so I might move him further down and just have him sitting here. Yep. Yeah, that's good. I finished challenge 7. I had to use a leaf or leaves, and I've used these stamps. Something sweet, so I've used the hearts. A group of 3 is also the hearts. A math symbol is the plus sign in the stencil I used. A doodle, and I put these doodling stamps on, plus I did a bit of hand doodling. Covered some of it up now, but it doesn't really matter. This is Deborah. Thanks for watching. Cheers.